Good morning Salesforce family. Welcome back to ShubhCode Daily News. I'm covering the top Salesforce stories for August 20th, 2026. Let's jump in. Story number 1, Salesforce introduces the AI usage data model for Agentforce tracking. Salesforce has launched a near real-time generative AI usage data model to help organizations track and analyze Agentforce and AI consumption metrics. So, what does this actually mean for you? If you deploy Agentforce, you need to know how much it is costing you, and how often customers interact with it. This new data model lets admins and developers build custom reports and dashboards to monitor AI credit consumption and token usage directly. The positive takeaway here is, provides administrators and architects with the granular visibility needed to track ROI, optimize prompt templates, and prevent unexpected billing overages. However, you should watch out, because requires setting up and querying new system objects and understanding complex AI billing metrics, which adds to the administrative learning curve. Story number 2, Scaling Agentforce with Multi-Agent Orchestration. This architectural update addresses the challenges of scaling AI by introducing multi-agent orchestration to coordinate specialized agents rather than building a single complex bot. So, what does this actually mean for you? Instead of building one massive, complex AI agent that gets confused easily, developers can now build smaller, specialized microagents, and use a central router to send user requests to the correct specialist. The positive takeaway here is, simplifies development by promoting modular design, making individual agents significantly easier to test, debug, and maintain. However, you should watch out because, multi-agent routing can introduce slight performance latency and potential handoff errors that architects must plan for and test thoroughly. Story number 3, Salesforce expands ISV tooling and packaging capabilities. The latest ISV release introduces advanced packaging capabilities, improved Scratch org features, and stronger security tools to help developers build and distribute AppExchange solutions. So, what does this actually mean for you? Developers and architects building managed packages or reusable internal tooling get access to new APIs and better sandboxing, making it easier to deploy code across multiple orgs with fewer pipeline errors. The positive takeaway here is, streamlines the DevOps pipeline for development teams and reduces the engineering overhead needed to pass Salesforce security reviews. However, you should watch out because, adopting these new packaging and security frameworks may require refactoring existing CI/CD pipelines and legacy package structures. And that's a wrap on today's Salesforce news. To recap, Salesforce introduces the AI usage data model for Agentforce tracking. Scaling Agentforce with multi-agent orchestration. Salesforce expands ISV tooling and packaging capabilities. Hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with daily Salesforce news on ShubhCode. See you tomorrow.